Did you notice today the act of bipartisanship, the greatest since Donald Trump has been president? The Congress, both the House and Senate, overwhelmingly passed the spending bill for $8.3 billion to fight the coronavirus. Oh, it's a beautiful day, right? Well, it's not for me. Now, I know I wear you out on government spending stuff, but right here is a great example. Let me tell you why I have a problem with this. So here's how the breakdown goes. About $2 billion of this is going to go to the CDC, the Center for Disease Control. About $3 billion is going to go to the NIH, National Institutes of Health. About $1.5 billion is going to go overseas to who knows where for who knows what. And about $1 billion is going to go to local public health facilities throughout the country. Now, here's my point. Let's take the CDC. Their budget is $12 billion. This is their job. This is what they're called to do. Same thing for the NIH. Their budget is $42 billion. They're all about research. They're all about clinical trials, and rightfully so. And we've called them to do this. They have accepted the challenge. We have funded them. So to the CDC, to the NIH, I want to scream from the housetops, quit using every little virus and everything that comes along to go after taxpayers to rape them for more money. Instead, how about this for an idea? Take the calling that you have, take the funding that you have, and just simply do your jobs. How about that for an idea? Do your friggin' jobs. Don't wait for more money from taxpayers. Just do what you're called to do. Man, honestly, the CDC says the best thing we can do right now is buy sanitizer. Keep our hands washed and sanitized. Keep the surfaces that we touch all the time sanitized. Well, hey, I already buy that stuff. I'm sure you do too. But listen, this is the coronavirus. So we need to say to the federal government, listen, you got to give us some money, say maybe $500 per family, so we can go buy sanitizer because this is the coronavirus. I mean, we can't buy sanitizer on our own. That's what the CDC and NIH is saying. And I want to say to you, that's hogwash. Do your jobs. Oh, it just drives me crazy. Listen, someday we're going to have to face this government spending crisis. It will force us, and I'm afraid it's going to be bad and too late at that point. And by the way, on a side note, I voted in the 2016 presidential election in the Republican primary for Rand Paul. You know why? Today's a good example. In the Senate, the vote for this was 96-1. Guess who the one was that voted against it? Rand Paul, and he's a doctor. People, do your job.